Hi. I like to get out here before it gets too crowded and get my licks in. But as you can tell from our parking area, I'm not the only one. It's full of new Cadillacs, isn't it? You can almost call them, and the owners they represent, the Cadillac generation. That runner, that young man's a Cadillac owner. This fellow is a sales executive. He's on the road a lot. He's a Cadillac owner, too. Marianne and Jim over there, Cadillac owners, they run that successful restaurant off the turnpike. That's Gretchen. She drives a Cadillac Eldorado convertible. Loves every minute of it. Nice lady. She sold me my home, too. The point I'm trying to make is that, sure, there are a lot of successful executives, financiers, captains of industry driving Cadillacs. After all, it's a mark of success. But there's a lot of other people, too. Young people, professional people, middle-aged, not so middle-aged. Tremendous variety. I'm not a salesman, but it's not hard to figure that these people are looking for quality, fine styling, proven reliability, innovative engineering, and outstanding tradition. As you can see, in 1984, Cadillac boasts the greatest variety of luxury models in the industry. 18 different models in all. So there's a tremendous flexibility and selection to offer interested Cadillac buyers, like our runner, Jim and Marianne, with thousands of others. Cimarron, Deville, Fleetwood, Eldorado, and Seville are great names, but each and every one offering the benefits and pride of Cadillac ownership. They represent the ultimate in fine styling, lasting finish, beauty, comfort, and luxury. And each offers mute testimony to the Cadillac generation. Of course, best of all, they're Cadillacs. You're about to review important 1984 Cadillac product information. After this review, test your product knowledge by playing the Cadillac Championship Golf Challenge.
I've improved a heck of a lot. Better than last week.
Cadillac's great tradition and tremendous owner loyalty are personified in this year's 1984 Devilles and Fleetwoods. Rightfully accounting for more than 40% of all General Motors' 1983 full-size luxury car production, we feel the 1984 rear-wheel drive Deville and Fleetwood models will continue the great Cadillac tradition.
When I traded my old 76 Caddy for the new 79, it was like losing an old friend. But it didn't take me long to realize that the 79 was a tremendous improvement over my old DeVille. Well, here I am, driving a new 84, and my Cadillacs just keep getting better and better. Because I'm on the road a lot, I opted for the diesel V8, 5.7 liters of diesel power featuring a new glow plug system. I was really surprised by how quietly it ran, and the performance is great. This new DeVille is everything I could ask for. I don't know how Cadillac could have improved on my 79, but they did, and I'm glad of it.
Our salesman isn't the only one who appreciates the differences in the 1984 Coupe DeVille. The seating is finished in beautiful heather and Dundee cloths, or as shown here, in optional leathers in the seating areas. There are fine styling touches, a new modified horn pad on the steering wheel, and loads of standard equipment, including the 2700 series AM/FM stereo radio and extended range rear speakers. There's electronic level control, also standard for 1984, and that remarkable Cadillac ride. Our salesman's choice of optional diesel power in a Coupe DeVille was right for him. But the DeVille Fleetwood series offers a variety of selections, coupe or sedan, gasoline or diesel.
Interested in our new Fleetwood Brougham? Seems like everybody is. And let me tell you, Marianne and I wouldn't trade its comfort or its ride for $1 million. Well, maybe $1 million, but not a penny less. Listen, I'm really high on the HT 4100 DFI power system. Oh, excuse me, what I mean is the engine. It's a V8, and it really performs. The DFI stands for Digital Fuel Injection. The 4100 means it's a 4.1-liter displacement. The automatic transmission is a 4-speed with overdrive, and I'm getting really impressive fuel efficiency. In a Cadillac, no less. My Fleetwood Brougham is equipped with the new GM Delco Freedom 3 battery. An option I thought important for the cold weather in our part of the country. Not to mention the torque converter with the 2.35 ratio.
Control yourself, Jim. Jim gets so carried away with all the technical things. But I really do love to ride or drive this car. It's so easy and so comfortable.
Fleetwood Brougham's interior reinforces Cadillac's luxury image. There's tufted multi-button upholstery and 50-50 dual comfort front seats. A new 2700 series radio system, fine detailing and workmanship, and a resculptured steering wheel horn pad. I know that Marianne and Jim know that the intrinsic value of their Fleetwood Brougham will pay off in more pleasurable miles. And did you notice the gold-winged crest accents on the front parking and rear tail lights? That's another touch for '84. Just more proof that Deville and Fleetwood are Cadillac's traditional luxury leaders. That's why so many Deville and Fleetwood owners continue to remain loyal to Cadillac. And refinements made to the 1984 models make these new luxury leaders even better. Cadillac has done the same thing with the Fleetwood limousine, too, making refinements, enhancing the tradition. Many of the same features found on the Devilles and Fleetwoods are carried over to the limousine as well. Of course, it has a few exclusives, too, including a new entertainment system with available remote cassette feature. Really, there's nothing quite like a Cadillac limousine or the Deville or Fleetwood. The trend for full-size luxury automobiles appears to be constant, and I believe you'll find that many prospective Cadillac owners are interested in these outstanding Cadillac models. They offer full-size luxury, quality, and style.